So one of the values in our team is the critical thinking, right? So as technology becoming more and more advanced in real estate, how can we win in competing against machine? So available for all of our team members, when people join our team, one of the biggest value is the law of association. Association is who you hang out with matters, right? Who you hang out with, who you associate with. So here in our team, part of our education, part of our training, each person in our team has access to the #1 sales training, entrepreneurship, leadership, Cardone University. We partner up with Cardone University and we provide that the #1 online platform as far as in the leadership space, leadership, communication, sales, persuasion, entrepreneurship to each individual member of our team. So that's one. And then in our team, we have our weekly training. It's a required weekly training once a week that we require each one of our team members in order to serve our clients. Then once a week we have our training, and then we have our sales meeting every Tuesday from 12 to 1. That's our sales mastermind meeting, where on our sales mastermind meeting, basically what we do, each individual we come in and we go over our clients list. So it's not like a class. So the class is once a week, the one at 8 o'clock in the morning, that's the class, is the teaching. And then at noon, at 12 noon, the sales mastermind is everybody together on a round table. We bring in our clients and then we have a conversation as to how to solve this problem together. What's best practices, right? What's to do, what's not to do. So it's really, really productive. It's been really, really fun. Every Tuesday from 12 to 1, 1 hour on Tuesday sales meeting. And then every month, once a month, we have our 2 days outside sales training, OSA workshop. That's what we call it. Once a month, every month, we have a 2-day OSA workshop where we spend for the whole day. We talk about our VIP buyers benefits, and then another day we talk about the whole day. When I say the whole day, I'm talking about from 8 in the morning till right around 5. Talk about our VIP buyers benefits and our VIP sellers benefits. That are OSA workshop. And then every 4 months we have our Titanium Conference, our quarterly Titanium Conference. At our conference, this is where we talk about the big ideas, the big movements. We talk about disrupting the real estate industry. You typically at our conference, we have very, very guest speakers flying from all over the country, the brilliant minds in leadership, entrepreneurship, sales, real estate, come here every 4 months to share with our team best practices. So again, just to recap, here in our team, when we talk about the value, if you're a real estate agent looking for a space as we launch into 2019, you gotta ask, it's gotta be beyond than the shiny object. Most real estate brokers, the way they recruit the agent is that, hey, join our team because we give you all this nice high office space. We don't give office space because as we enter this 2019, the value is intellectual. If you're gonna win in this information age, 2019, 2020 and beyond, it gotta be from the skill. And when we talk about the skill, anything worth doing every day. So that's why we, part of our education partnership with you, we're providing you daily training that you can, at the comfort of your own home, Titanium University. And inside Titanium University, that's basically the Cardone University inside, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days. That's the online platform. So there's the content. I'm talking about over 1,200 videos training on sales, entrepreneurship, leadership, communication, time management. It's the most comprehensive online training platform in the space today. So that's one online platform, Titanium University, available daily 24/7. Second is our weekly training, our weekly sales meeting, and then our monthly OSA workshop, our monthly 2-day OSA workshop, and then our quarterly, every 4 months, our quarterly Titanium 3 days Titanium conference. Alright guys, those are all what's available at no additional cost for our Titanium associates. If you have any question, comment below. Otherwise, go serve big, make 2019 be your best year ever. If you're a real estate agent watching this, if you are not part of our team yet, I'm inviting you for a backstage tour of our team. All you need to do, call me direct at 626-789-0159. Again, 626-789-0159. If you are with our team, and if you don't have access to any of the Titanium University or the weekly training, sales training, the 2-day OSA, monthly 2-day OSA workshop, or the quarterly 3 days conference, talk to our operation director, New. So our director of operation can give you access to this for you immediately. All right, go serve big.